Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lug. Spanish investors behind the adult-only Excellence Oyster Bay are planning a major expansion in Jamaica's tourism industry. By the end of the year, the company plans to add 50 more rooms and 45 private villas, representing an additional $25 million investment. Expansion will begin immediately, starting with a major increase in the resort's highly popular bungalows by the end of 2026.
After making this opening by the end of the year, what we want to do is end of 2028, beginning of 2029, come here with a new ¿cómo se dice marca?
Brand.
With a new brand, the finest, which is a family brand.
Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett says the expansion will be matched by a strong focus on workforce development and welfare. A key part of the commitment includes an $8 million investment to retrofit an office complex for workers by the end of this year.
Not just to offer better service, but to improve themselves and to increase the stackable credentials that they have so that they can not only peddle their wares in Jamaica, but anywhere else in the world as professionals in the industry. And then the issue of social security for the workers, a big discussion. And we not only had a discussion, we actually went and visited the site where 60 rooms to begin with are being prepared for the workers.
Despite suffering $50 million in damage from Hurricane Melissa, Excellence Oyster Bay reopened within 6 weeks, retaining all staff during the closure. The resort is now reporting over 60% occupancy levels. The Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association, JMEA, has relaunched its Buy Jamaican campaign, urging stronger support for local manufacturing as a pillar of economic resilience and long-term growth. Operating under the banner Buy Jamaican, Build Jamaica, the initiative comes as the manufacturing sector posts solid gains. The industry now employs more than 85,000 Jamaicans and grew by 8.4% in the third quarter of 2025, outpacing overall GDP growth. Manufacturing also accounts for nearly 9% of national output and has expanded by more than $6.7 billion over the past 4 years. But the JMEA warns of rising pressure. Exports fell last year while imports of finished goods continue to climb, squeezing local producers, particularly small and medium-sized manufacturers. The JMEA is urging consumers, businesses, government, and the tourism sector to prioritize Jamaican-made goods, calling it not just patriotic, but smart economics. The JSE index declined by 902 points, while the junior market index advanced by 9 points. The winners include Lasco Financial Services, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, KLE Group Limited, General Accident Insurance Company, and Access Financial Services. The losers were led by Blue Power Group, Portland JSX, ISP Finance Services, Iron Rock Insurance Company, and Dolphin Cove. 26 stocks traded firm. Foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $156.95. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $115.36. The pound is going for $215.01, while the euro is selling for an average $186.87. And that's the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lowe. Good evening.